Arike Ogunbowale, one of the most recognizable stars in women's professional basketball, was arrested early Thursday in Miami and charged with misdemeanor battery, following an altercation that occurred during celebrations after her team's victory in the new women's basketball league Unrivaled, according to police records from Miami-Dade Police Department. The incident took place shortly after 4 a.m. at E11EVEN Miami, a well-known nightclub where players and supporters had gathered to celebrate the league's championship game. Authorities say Ogunbowale allegedly struck a man with a closed fist during a confrontation inside the venue. Please subscribe, like, and share for more updates. Thanks. Investigators reported that the man who was struck fell to ground after the punch. Witnesses and security staff at the club quickly intervened to separate the individuals before the situation escalated further. Police officers were called to the scene soon afterward and took Ogunbowale into custody. The 29-year-old guard had just helped lead her team, the Mist, to a championship victory in the inaugural season of the Unrivaled League. Earlier that evening, Ogunbowale delivered a strong performance in the final, scoring 19 points and playing a key role in securing the title over the Phantom in the championship game. The victory marked a major moment for the new league, which was created to provide top women's basketball players an off-season competition, an alternative platform. Authorities said the alleged victim was either a club employee or security staff member involved in managing the crowd during the celebration. According to police report, the man was attempting to escort Ogunbowale away from a disturbance inside the club when the confrontation occurred. Investigators say the altercation was partially captured on the venue surveillance cameras and was also witnessed by several people present at the celebration. Following the incident, Ogunbowale was booked into the Turner Guilford Night Correctional Center on a first-degree misdemeanor battery charge under Florida law. Court records indicate she was later released after posting a $1,000 bond. The case is expected to proceed to the local court system, though no official court date has yet been publicly announced. Representatives from the Unrivaled League said in a brief statement that they are aware of the situation involving one of their players and are gathering more information about what occurred. League officials added that they are in communication with Ogunbowale and her representatives as they review the circumstances surrounding the incident. Ogunbowale's WNBA team, the Dallas Wings, also acknowledged the arrest but said the organization would wait for more details before making further comment. Teams and leagues typically review incidents involving players under professional conduct policies once the facts of the case become clearer. Despite the arrest, Ogunbowale remains one of the most accomplished guards in the WNBA. Since being selected 5th overall in the 2019 WNBA draft by the Dallas Wings, she has established herself as one of the league's elite scorers. She is a 4-time WNBA All-Star and previously led the league in scoring during the 2020 season, cementing her reputation as one of the most dangerous offensive players in women's basketball. Before entering professional ranks, Ogunbowale became a national sensation during her college career at the University of Notre Dame. In 2018, she delivered one of the most memorable performances in NCAA women's basketball history. During the NCAA Women's Final Four, Ogunbowale hit dramatic buzzer-beating shots in both the semifinal and the championship game to lead Notre Dame to the national title. Her clutch performances instantly made her one of the most recognized players in the sport. The arrest comes during the WNBA offseason, a period when many players compete in international leagues or off-season competitions like Unrivaled to stay active and earn additional income. The Dallas Wings and other WNBA teams are currently preparing for the upcoming 2026 season, which is expected to begin in May. At this stage, it remains unclear whether the WNBA will consider disciplinary action related to the incident. The league typically reviews legal matters involving players once more details become available and may issue fines or suspensions depending on the outcome of the case. Legal experts note that misdemeanor battery charges in Florida can carry penalties including fines, probation, or short jail sentences if a person is convicted. However, the outcome of the case will depend on the results of the investigation, potential witness testimony, and any legal proceedings that follow. For now, Ogunbowale's arrest has drawn significant attention across the sports world, coming just hours after a championship celebration and involving one of the most prominent players in professional women's basketball. Fans, league officials, and her team are expected to watch closely as more information about the incident and its legal consequences emerges in the coming weeks.